In this video we are going to learn role play. Okay, so what is meant by role play? Okay, role play means act out or perform the part of a person or character. Role play means act out or perform the part of a person or character. Okay, so you have seen number of movies. No, in that movies, no, hero and heroine are going to act out or perform the role of a particular character. So that is example for role play. Okay, so here advantages of role play. So if you participate in role play sessions, no, what is going to happen? So the first advantage is build up experience and self confidence to handle the situation in real life. Okay, so not only in academic arena, even in work field also, the management is conducting role play sessions just to build up some sort of confidence and experience in the employees and in students. Okay, really, if you participate in role play sessions, no, your confidence increases and you are going to have some sort of experience, and that experience helps you to face real life situations. Okay, and second one, helps teams understand problems or situations from different perspectives. Okay, you can understand any kind of problem or situation, and you can able to see the situation or problem in different perceptions. Okay, that is the second advantage of role play. And the third one is role play sessions really improve communication skills. Okay, these are the main advantages of role play sessions. Okay, so what is role play? Role play is nothing but role play is nothing but act out or perform the part of a person or character. Act out or perform the part of a person or character. Okay, as part of role play session, no, here they have in textbook they have given us some expressions, some common expressions used when asking for directions, suggestions, information that you could use in your role plays. Okay, so last sem your friends got a question as 10-mark question. Okay, mention some expressions used for asking for directions. That is a question your friends got. Okay, if you get a question like that, no, you have to write all these expressions. Okay, so here first expression is, could you please give me direction to, they have given some dot dot dot, no, means direction to go to library, to go to movie theater, to go to ATM center, to go to railway station, like that. Okay, could you please give me directions to go to library? Where is library? How do I get to library? Could you tell me where the library is? Please, will you help me to find library? Could you advise me on best method regarding this? Okay, so how far or close is it? Okay, where can I find library? Do you know where am I now? How could I reach there? Okay, is this the right way to go to library? Can you suggest me some ways to find the best resource? Okay, these are the expressions we use while asking for directions, suggestions, information. Okay, so is it clear? I am repeating the expressions one more time. By heart all these expressions. The question, how you are going to get the question means, mention some expressions used for asking directions or suggestions or information. Okay, could you please give me directions to, where is, how do I get to, could you tell me, please will you help me, could you advise me on best resource regarding this subject, how far, close is it, where can I find, do you know where am I now, how could I reach there, is this the right way to go to railway station or library, can you suggest me regarding the best resource regarding this subject, like that. Okay, so I have collected some more expressions. For asking directions, you could refer that also. Okay. So for asking for directions, you could also these expressions. How do I get to library? What is the best way to go to library? Where is library? Is there a library near here? How do I find library? Can you help me find the library? How far is library from here? Some more expressions. You can use this one also. Asking for directions, useful phrases. Okay, first one, how do I get to library? What is the best way to reach library? Where is library? Is there a library near here? How do I find the library? Can you help me find the library? How far is library from here? These are the expressions we could ask while asking for directions. Okay, so if you are giving directions, you have to take the help of these phrases. Okay, go straight on until you come to bus stop, railway station, like that. Okay, turn back, go back, turn left, okay, or turn right, go along, cross the bridge, like that. Take the first, second on the left or right. Okay, it's on the left, it's on the right. Straight on, opposite, near, next to, between, at the end of, on, at the corner, behind, in front of, around the corner, traffic lights, okay, crossroads, junction, like that. Okay, so while giving directions, you have to take the help of these phrases. Okay, so what is the first one? Go straight on until you come to railway station. Okay, turn back, go back. Okay, turn left, turn right. Okay, go along, cross, take the first, second road on the left. Okay, it's on the left, it's on the right. Straight on, opposite, near, near to, between, at the end of, on or at the corner, behind, in front of, around the corner, traffic lights, crossroads, junction. Okay, so here they have given example for us, a conversation. As part of role play, they'll give you a situation and they'll ask you to write dialogues for that. So here regarding giving directions and asking for directions, they have given a small conversation between Kirti and Sonal. Okay, and so here see, Kirti is asking, excuse me, can you direct me to students art gallery? Okay, so you'll get a 10-mark question. So they'll give you situation and they'll ask you to write suitable dialogues for that. Okay, if you get a question like that, you have to write like this. Okay, excuse me, can you direct me to the students art gallery? For that, see how Sonal is responding. Certainly. Do you know where the gym is? Okay, so for that, what Kirti is saying? No, I do not. I'm not a student of this college. Is it far? Okay, see how Sonal is responding? No, not really. It's about a 5 minutes walk from here. Okay, now see how Kirti is responding. I'm a little confused because yours is very large campus. For that, Sonal is responding, it's very easy to find the gym. I can give you directions. That's very kind of you. Okay, so for that, see, Sonal is responding, not at all. Now go along this path and turn left at Gandhi Square. You'll find the gym on your right. The gallery is right behind the gym. It's a small building with tall trees in front of it. You may not be able to see it from the main path. Okay, so for that, Kirti is responding, thank you so much, have a nice day. Okay, how she is responding, see Sonal. Okay, you are welcome, you have a good day too. You have a good day too. So this is small conversation regarding asking for direction and giving direction. Okay, so here lot more questions they have given. So you and your friends plan to attend an awareness program on organic farming organized by a local farmer at his or her farm. Call and ask for directions to reach the farm. Okay. So if it is a 2-mark question, no, very simple. Okay. So you are going to call Mr. X. Okay, and you are going to introduce yourself and you are going to ask for directions. Okay. So I will give answer for you. You are going to call, no, when the farmer picks the call, no, you have to say, so good morning, sir. This is Mr. Sai, and I am from Gokul Krishna College of Engineering. And so we want to attend the class on organic farming that you are going to talk about. Okay. So I don't know how to get to your field, sir. Could you please give me directions? Could you please give me directions to reach your farm? Okay, like that you have to ask. Okay. For that he is going to respond. Okay, sure. So first you engage an auto and you reach okay, so and so village. After reaching village, you have to cross the temple. After crossing the temple, you have to follow the school building. Next to school building, you are going to see a path. Okay, so go straight on that path and you can see the farms left on your left. You can see the farm on your left. Okay, you can easily locate that. Thank you, sir. Like that you have to respond. Okay. So like that you may get a 2-mark question. Okay, or a 10-mark question. If it is 10-mark question, you have to build dialogues like this. Okay, hello, good morning, and then you have to say something. Okay, and you have to thank for giving directions. Okay, so see the second question. A cousin wants to visit you at your college hostel and tells you that he or she is going to come by bus. Okay. Give clear directions including the bus route. Okay. So here conversation between you and your cousin. Your cousin is calling you and you are responding to his queries. Okay. So how you are going to build dialogues? Your friend, your cousin. Hi, Mr. Sai. I'm going to come to your college tomorrow. So I'm going to come by bus. Okay. Oh, it's nice, you are going to say. Okay. So, but I don't know how to get to hostel. Could you please give me directions? Okay. For that you have to say, it's very easy. Get down at Sulurpet bus stop. After coming out of bus stop, please engage an auto, and then you have to move towards Nellore direction. Okay. So after reaching college gate, just ring me. I will come and pick you up. Okay, that's it. Okay, like this you will get questions regarding this. Okay, so I'll give you some more examples with dialogues. See here, a conversation between A and B regarding locating a shopping mall. Okay, you have to build dialogues like this, Nana. Locating a shopping mall. See, first one, A saying, excuse me, is there a shopping mall nearby? Okay, for that B is saying, oh yeah, there is one on James Street. Okay, then A is asking, how do I get there? Okay, so for that A is giving response. At the first intersection, turn left and you are in James Street. The mall is the 4th building to your left. Okay, now see second one, finding an ATM. Okay, so see here, conversation between A and B, Nana. Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest Citibank ATM is? Okay, for that B is responding, well, the nearest one I would say is at the IMAX building. Okay, for that A is responding, where is that? For that B is giving response, go straight ahead and turn right at the roundabout. Okay, like this you have to build dialogues, Nana. Okay, easy question. It's a 10-mark question. Sometimes as 2-mark question, no, they are also asking, what is role play, and then they are asking a question to give directions to reach a place. Okay, is it clear? Thank you.